For this project, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook and 16 gauge Plarn, which means it's one bag divided into 16 pieces. To start, I open up a link, insert my hook, yarn over, hold on to this, pull through, and loosely tighten it. Loosely tighten. Now I'm going to chain 27. Yarn over, pull through a loop. That's one chain. 2, 3, 4, so that's 15 chains. I'm going to add a new link. Gently tighten it and keep going. 16. And 27. I'm going to be working in single crochet all the way across the chain. Chain 1 and single crochet into the next chain. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's one single crochet. Insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. That's 2 single crochet. And one more time for single crochet, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. And that's 3. And I'm going to go all the way down the line until I have 27 single crochet. This is the end of the row, and this is the 27th single crochet. I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and continue by single crochet into the single crochet from the previous row, all the way across. If you find that the work is a little bit wonky or twisty, you can gently block it into shape. So here's how far I was able to get with one grocery bag. I almost completed 5 rows of single crochet, and it included the foundation chain, so when I get more rows, and I'll be able to say what my gauge is. The size is about 6 1/4 inches by 1 1/4 inches. And I have a lot more bags that I've already cut up that I can use to complete my project.